Today we are in the historic center of Dogliola, a small village in Abruzzo region situated at just 20 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast, with all kinds of basic facilities. And this is a townhouse with 2 bedrooms and 3 floors that avails also of 2 cellars situated near the house and enjoying a beautiful sea view just in front of the house. There is a public parking space just near the house, and the house avails of 2 entrances, one under this lovely stone arch, and the other one that is the main one right here. And as we enter, we find a small entrance hall where we find the staircase going on the upper floor and the corridor to reach the basement floor. And on the left, we find the kitchen with its own independent entrance. It is a fully equipped kitchen with fireplace. This is the second entrance to the house. Now that we are back inside, I can show you this room here with a sink. This room could be converted into a laundry room. And now we can go upstairs. Where we find a single bedroom with a small balcony. As you can see, the windows are in perfect conditions and they are double glazed. And proceeding, we find the master bedroom. Now we can go back downstairs. And thanks to this corridor and this staircase, we can reach the basement floor. This floor is now used as a storage space, but it has a water tank, really useful in case of water shortage. Here we have the gas boiler, so the house is connected to gas and avails of a central heating system. And on this floor we find also a full bathroom with bathtub. The property is also sold with the two cellars, two stone cellars situated just a few meters from the house. This is the first one, now used as a storage space. And this is the second one. This one has also piping for water and beautiful exposed stone. So the property is in perfect conditions. It is sold furnished. It has all utilities connected, including central heating system. And it is situated at just walking distance from the town center and 20 minutes drive from the coast. For more information, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.